So the main aim of the program is to educate people and educate them about food. We're using nice fresh produce, we're teaching them to cook from scratch, and we're getting them to go home and share their skills with their families. So it's a flow-on effect, and that's the main aim of Jamie's Ministry of Food. Getting people back into the kitchen, helping them create a nice healthy diet and sharing it with the ones that they love.
Nutrition, we know, plays such a key role in the management of type 2 diabetes. So learning healthy eating and how to bring that into the home can make a big difference to them.
So we're doing a roast today, doing our roast veggies, making our chicken stock, making our gravy, roasting our chicken.
I've been in denial, and when I saw what Jamie's Ministry of Food was offering, I thought I had to get back and on a serious sort of type 2 diabetes diet, and I've learnt that portion control, the right type of food is very, very critical to my continued health.
Things that may otherwise seem unhealthy or off limits, like pizzas and desserts and those sorts of things, they're not. But you can certainly make them a lot healthier so that you can include them more regularly at home.
We get a lot of people in the program that come through that do live on their own and aren't sure about cooking for themselves. So this gives them that boost of confidence to get back in the kitchen using fresh ingredients that they've never used before.
I found the course really interesting. The things I picked up were the knife skills, how to get the best juice out of your lemons and your limes, that you can do a decent meal in a short time.
So we want a chicken around about the 1.5 kilo mark. So we don't want to be using a caged hen.
We tend to be a bit lazy sometimes and sort of use some processed food just for convenience, but I've learnt that fresh is best.
There are many social benefits for the people with diabetes, particularly in the point that they can share their experiences, so they can talk about their diets and how they can change their diets, and they can actually learn to cook together.
I guess the main message that we really want people with diabetes to take away from this course is that it's just about eating fresh, healthy foods and eating the right amount for you.